Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create free shipping on your Shopify store. So let's get into it. On the left hand side, right at the bottom of your page, you can navigate to settings, and from here you want to go ahead and look for shipping and delivery. Now in here you can go down and look for where it says custom shipping rates, and you're going to tap on create new profile. From here, you can give it a profile name. So let's just call it free shipping. And at the bottom over here, we're going to go ahead and we have to create a shipping zone. All right. So let's just tap on create zone. And here you can give yourself another zone name. So let's just go ahead and say free shipping, and in brackets we can include perhaps the country or the region that we would like to offer free shipping to. So if you see over here it says international, that will literally be every single country on the Shopify database. Alternatively, you can go ahead and you can select these individual countries. All right, so let's go ahead and select France. And over here, we're going to go ahead and just for reference, we're going to add France into there, and we're going to say done. You can see now that it does say no rates. All right, this means that your customers will not be able to check out. So what we want to do is just tap on add rate over here. And here we want to make sure that it says use flat rate. And here the shipping rate, we want to make sure that it says custom, and your custom rate name, we want to say free shipping again, and we can say France, and this is all customized to my store. All right, so you will put this information in according to your store, and then we have a customer delivery description. We can add that in if you would like to, and then your price, if you keep at 0, it will be free, as you can see on the right hand side here, and at the bottom it's confirming that that is free, and we're going to tap on done. Right, so now what we need to do is add products. So we can add certain products, or we can just say select displayed items. You can go ahead and you can select every single one of your items if you would like to, or just some items. Just remember that when you are shipping certain items to certain countries, there are perhaps restrictions. So keep that in mind. We're going to say done, and once we're done here, we're going to go ahead and we can just enter this France in here again, and we can then go up to the top right hand side and say save. We have now set up free shipping for a specific zone or region. Now, if you want to learn more about Shopify, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of helpful content to help you grow your online business. We'll see you over there. Peace out.